This 2026 Jayco Eagle HT29 RLC is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco Eagle HT29 RLC is 9,747 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.